We're over here at the Harbor Freight booth. I'm gonna walk around because as you guys can see here, it's awfully busy. So I'm gonna show you guys what Harbor Freight's got going on here. New for 2025, and as you can see here, it says still new in development. We got the G2 Icon boxes. So there's this really nice red that they got here. And then you got this gentleman here. You got my camera, you can see it's sitting right up here, but then you got this nice color that they got. These are new colors also. As you can see here, these are also in development. You got this green here on the 3-ton, this sparkling red, and then this blue. I know a lot of guys personally that have bought this for their vehicles, but this is coming soon. So this doesn't say new in development. This is coming soon. So give Harbor Freight a few months. Is this 1,750 pound capacity self-loading heavy-duty SUV positioning Wheel Dolly. Ooh. But yeah, 230 for each. You can see right over there, they got a whole set. Again, there is so much to show you guys. Now we're all familiar with the US General tool line. When it comes to their boxes, this is the Series 3. This is their new color, which is purple. And you can see that they have the new colors coming up soon. So they got the green, the gray, and the purple little mini toolboxes. These do sell out really, really quick, especially when Harbor Freight, those guys, puts a sale on those mini toolboxes. I'm assuming this is something you can purchase now, which I didn't even know. You watched the Carlisle video that I did at the Carlisle booth. The auto industry is short on technicians, and this is what would help an auto technician. So $3,118.44. You'll pretty much get a 328-piece set. It says no interest, 36 months, you know, on your purchase of $299 or more. But here's the toolbox itself. You got your lights, you got your ratchets, you got your sockets. Open this up, your Allens, long Allens, extensions here. You got a little shorter Allens, and then you got your little stubby Torx. And open up, let's see what's in the next drawer here. More Allens, and then you got your open end wrenches. And then right over here, you see that they have a torque wrench, and this is a Icon torque wrench. And this whole entire set is about $3,000, which is not bad for anyone that's starting out, especially in the automotive field. And then this is your standard open end wrenches that we got here. And then you got your Icon hand tools. Right now, this is just a regular US General box, but these Icon hand tools, I say they are pretty comparable, especially if you're familiar with Snap-on and Matco. And that's what Harbor Freight is just trying to do. They're just trying to compete and trying to help those that are in the automotive industry not to spend an arm and a leg, because we know how it is to owe money to the tow truck guys. If that is a little bit too much, Harbor Freight also has this $802, as you guys can see here, tool cart, 428-piece set, $802. Get you started, got yourself organized here, got a basic set of hand tools, or just basically the basic hobbyist. If you want to start getting into this hobby of automotive, I mean, this is still really not bad. You got your long sockets, short sockets, you got 6 points, you got your extensions here, you got your Allens, pretty much all your bits for if you have a drill bit, open end wrenches. Looks like you got some ratcheting ones in here too. Open up this big sucker here. Again, some tool organizers, some 12 points in this one, some bigger sockets for your spark plugs, adapters. Let's move on. There's a lot to see at the Harbor Freight booth. Here's a couple other items, right? You can see here, again, this one says new, coming soon. But this one will be in stores. This is their flashlight with different colors. Come down here, you'll notice that you can see here, new, coming soon. This is a coolant pressure tester, right? And then this is a coolant system filler and tester. That's also coming soon. And then you also here have a heavy-duty commercial truck U-joint puller, something that I personally don't use, but if that's something you guys are needing, new, coming soon. That's the price for that. The price for the filler. And then this is the price for the pressure test kit. So these are already in stores. Everything that you see that doesn't say new, coming soon, but these two are brand new and coming into stores in a few months. So you can see here, 7-inch, a angled wire stripper, and then their regular Icon wire stripper here. Right, new, coming soon. Those are the estimated prices. Everything that you guys see here, they said that they are subject to change. So this is for my off-road guys, right? So you can see here, new in development. You got the Badlands winch here with a steel cable. Price that is going to be going for about $649. Again, in development. We'll see if it comes out or not. And then right over here, you can see this one says coming soon. So this is a little switch for anything off-road. This will be in stores in a few months. So again, for those off-road guys, you got the winch, You also here got the little switches. And of course, right now you can buy a haul of these lights from Harbor Freight for your pretty much your off-road rig or your grocery store princess mobile. So you guys have seen Jared use the Badlands jack on our channel, and over here at the Harbor Freight booth they have one with a mount. They said that it'll be out definitely for sure in a few months, but as you can see here, it's also in development. This is actually pretty cool because rather than like for Jared, we threw it in the back of the truck and it was just rolling around. So this is actually going to be really nice to have. But continuing on with the Badlands, you'll see here this one says coming soon. We have actually Badlands jacks. So if you got some high clearance vehicles, these are the jacks that Badlands coming out. So they're kind of, you can see here with the whole entire jack, you got the regular size jack, you got the mini, and then now you got the jack stands, and kind of complete the whole trifecta here with lifting, recovery, and repair. And then lastly, we're going to talk about the power tools here. Some of them are coming soon, some of them are in development. This is Hercules, like pretty much right up here. This is all their new line here. Starting off, let's kind of go from the right here. You see that they got this long-headed 3/8 or 1/4 inch. It's a multi-size extended ratchet at 149. That's not bad. I don't honestly have Hercules tools. I have Milwaukee and DeWalt. But again, for any of those, Hercules is coming out with a electric ratchet. This is kind of like the industry standard right here when it comes to electric ratchets. It's also a multi-size 3/8 and 1/4. It's 130 for that one. And then right here, this is coming soon. So this one should be coming out soon. Is $65. Is a 1/4 inch impact. That one is a 1/4 inch impact driver. This one is in development. So this one's coming out sooner than it is the impact driver. And then right over here you got the oscillating multi-tool. This one's also in development. So this one here going for $79.99. You got the right angle die grinder that's already out. The guy was saying that they're always selling like hotcakes right over here. This gentleman has it right here in his hand, but again, $60. That's not bad for an electric angle grinder. So this one's also in development. It's the oscillating tool. No, I'm sorry, I take that back. The impact driver, 120, and then this one is 1/4 inch chuck. So this is also in development. 20 volt, guys. 12 volts right over here for anybody needing something a little bit smaller, right?
Tuned all week long. More products available at SEMA. Exciting new tools from Hercules are in development.
Your guys' bid, not my bid, right? Tyler over here, he handed me a tool, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mess around with it right here real quick. So this is the this is the 20 volt right here, Hercules, and we're gonna see 1/4 inch impact driver. I just abused it, as you guys can see. That's honestly really nice. Brushless?
Yes.
Very okay. That's cool. See, yeah, that's hot. That's really hot. That's hot. All right, let's try the 12 volt here. Look at this. People are abusive to these tools. Let's find a knot. Oh, someone already drilled into the knot. Yeah, let's go straight down on this. You could easily strip the wood if you're trying to grab onto the wood, but as you can see here, I didn't slip. It was the users before me that messed this bit up. But other than that, again, yeah, that's hot. It's nice and hot. Yeah, that's actually pretty powerful for 12. I like that. And how much is this again? $64.99, guys. There's probably a lot more. There's a lot, but there's also a lot here at SEMA. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Hopefully if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really would help out this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. And again, enjoy this long form content because it's always better than the shorts. Let me know what you guys think about the Harbor Freight tools. As always, I always kind of read them. Other than that, guys, this is Mechanic Built, and I'll see you guys on the next one.